Look at that.
Stage separation.
Stage 2 emission. Jet pressure looks nominal.
They're the fairings.
They're the fairings.
Yeah, you can see it fall away.
Look at that. Get a little jellyfish.
Wow, that's so pretty. Just a little hint of jellyfish.
Now's the time to go outside and see if y'all can see this, folks. So now we've gotten all the way through that fairing jettison, and we have a couple minutes until we get that second engine cut off. But the track's out. Look at this.
Oh, man. What a great view.
It really is.
Yeah, so lightning will fire for a couple minutes, but we will see Seiko's second engine cut off at T plus 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
So we've got just about 4 more minutes here. A lot of times we see the little ice sort of coming off. You see little pieces of ice and stuff like that. Remember,